But you might be thinking, how can we use dot query to actually capture a range? Because we need a range to be checked in the salary column. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This channel, Data Science, is all about trying to learn various concepts of data science by practicing a lot of questions. This video is in continuation of the series where we're trying to learn Python while solving interview questions from top tech companies like Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, and Google. If you're preparing for any of these roles, this is a great series to follow and build your concepts. So yeah, let's jump right in. In this video, we are going to solve this question on status scratch regarding employees with salary between given range. This question has been asked in Amazon interviews, and it's a great question if you're preparing for data engineer, data scientist, BI analyst, data analyst, or ML engineer roles. Okay, the question reads, find all the workers whose salary lies between 100,000 and 500,000 inclusive. So we are given a data frame called worker, and expected output is a pandas data frame with all the information where the salary is between 100,000 and 500,000. Okay, let's inquire about this data frame that we have worker. So it has 6 different columns, all the information: worker ID, first name, last name, salary, joining date, and department. So what we need to do is we need to perform a filter based on the salary column and make sure we only keep those rows where salary lies between a certain range. Then what you can do is either you can go ahead with the Boolean indexing route, or what we can do is we can use the shorter and more optimized way is using the dot query method. But you might be thinking, how can we use dot query to actually capture a range? Because we need a range to be checked in the salary column. So what we can do is we can start with worker dot query, and then what we need is we need to check the range in the salary column. So we say that in the salary column, check whether the salary is between, so dot between, and then you give the range. So it should be starting at 100,000 inclusive and go up till 500,000 inclusive. The question says, right, it should be inclusive. Right here, if you look at it, it is inclusive. Okay, so once we have this, then what we can do is if I go ahead and try to run this, let's see whether this keeps only those rows where the salary is between 100,000 or 500,000. So if we look at it, we have all the rows where salary is between these range. So if I go ahead and compare with the expected output, this is exactly same, right? So let me go ahead and submit it. So pass all the test cases. So everything is green, and this is how it do it. So not a difficult question, however, might be tricky if you are doing this for the first time, that how can we use dot query to check for a range. So what you can do is you can use the dot between query, just like if you have learned about SQL, there also you can write between a starting point and an end point. So similarly, you can use the dot between here in Python or pandas as well. So yeah, this is how we do it. Let me know if there's a better way or more efficient way to solve this question. Let the solution be in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.